We at FIDA have the pleasure to celebrate this day for the girl child. We treasure girl children so much because they are the mothers of the nation. They are the women lawyers of tomorrow to fight for the rights of upcoming children. FIDA is the Uganda Association of Women Lawyers that has offered legal aid to women and children for the past over 30 years. Our niche is the protection of a woman through social justice. In front of me is a young child of 15 years. She was defiled in a verge of looking for a job. She got a job as a house girl in somebody's home. In that home, the owner of the home defiled her in the absence of everybody else in the house. After the defilement, she reported a case at police, and at police, because there was no penetration, the case was the case was filed away. The child is pregnant. Certain things need to be addressed in such cases. This child has not been counseled in any way. She's not been supported in any way. She's carrying a pregnancy that resulted from the defilement, and the best police can do is to simply file away the case. What kind of justice should be accorded to this girl? How do we stop men from continuing to defile young girls, to continuing to corrupt the innocence of such young children? We really believe with consulted efforts, we can be able to stop such sexual and gender-based violence that is inflicted onto children. She's going to be a child mother. She's gone through lots of atrocities. Police at headquarters is really supportive. It has called for the file to ensure that the culprit is brought back to book to answer the charges of defilement because the girl is pregnant. Police acted without any due regard to the amendment in the Sexual Offences Act, whereby any slight penetration, otherwise the girl would not have got pregnant without that slight penetration. There were bruises on her. She was stitched by the family of the man, and police simply left the case at that, and the best they could do was to chase away this girl from the police station. It is very absurd that the policemen and women, police officers, are parents of today. Tomorrow, this could be happening to their children. It is quite annoying that they can simply file away such a case without even any support accorded to this girl. How many children out there are being defiled? When a defiled girl walks to police, she expects security, she expects comfort, she expects justice to be achieved. It is very, very absurd that today, after celebrating Jubilee, police does not take defilement as a very serious offense. FIDA is ready to stand by her to ensure that justice is achieved up to the end. The culprit must be brought to book. He can't go unpunished.